Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register your HP laptop for warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to support.hp.com. Then we want to go ahead and sign into our account. So just click on the top right, or we can scroll down a bit, click on to register your product, and then it's going to ask to sign in or sign up to HP. So if you don't have an account, click on create an account, or if you do, click on continue with Google. So I've got an account with HP, so I'm just going to choose my Google account here. Alright, so once I've signed in, and then it's going to say one step to add a device to your profile and register with HP. So because we are doing a laptop, we want to go ahead and click on the laptop here. And now if you're not sure where your serial number is on your laptop, we want to go ahead and click on try a keyboard command. So if your laptop is currently functioning, you can find the serial number by using a simple keyboard command. So we want to go ahead and click on FN and escape, and that's going to give you HP system information. And now inside of that, it's going to give you a serial number here. So you want to go ahead and copy that number and then come back here and go ahead and click on to enter your serial number and click submit, or you can use the option by clicking let HP detect your product. But if that doesn't work, go ahead and try that keyboard command, put in your serial number and click submit. Then that's going to successfully register your HP laptop for warranty.